How does dough fermentation create the best nice pizza? Imagine biting into a slice of pizza that's perfectly crisp on the outside and delightfully chewy inside. The secret behind that magic lies in how the dough is fermented. In New York City, where pizza is more than just food, fermentation plays a big role in creating that iconic taste and texture. When yeast is mixed with flour, water, and salt, it starts a process called fermentation. Yeast eats the sugars in the dough and produces carbon dioxide and alcohol. This causes the dough to rise and develop flavor. But the real game changer for nice pizza is how the dough is fermented over time. Instead of letting it rise at room temperature for a few hours, many nice pizzerias use cold fermentation. They put the dough in the refrigerator for anywhere from 12 hours to several days. This slow process allows the yeast to work gradually, creating more complex flavors. It also helps break down the starches in the flour into simpler sugars, which makes the dough easier to digest and adds a subtle tangy taste. The longer the dough ferments, the richer the flavor becomes. Cold fermentation also improves the dough's structure. It makes the dough more elastic and easier to stretch thin without tearing. This is how nice pizzerias get that thin, crisp crust that can hold toppings without becoming soggy. Many top spots aim for a 48-hour cold ferment, but some go even longer for an even deeper flavor. The use of high-gluten flour and proper gluten development during mixing helps give the crust its sturdy yet tender texture. When the dough is properly fermented, it results in a crust that's crispy on the outside but airy and chewy inside. This balance is what makes nice pizza so special. It's not just about quick baking, it's about patience and craftsmanship. In a busy city like New York, where pizza is a staple, the fermentation process allows pizzerias to prepare large batches of dough ahead of time. This ensures consistency and quality, even during busy hours. If a pizzeria skips the slow fermentation and makes a quick batch, the crust often lacks that signature depth and flavor. Some nice pizzerias even use a process called bulk fermentation, where the entire batch of dough rises before being divided into smaller balls. These balls are then refrigerated for the final fermentation. This method guarantees each pizza has that perfect balance of taste and texture. To sum it up, dough fermentation, especially the slow, cold method, is what makes nice pizza stand out. It's a mix of science and tradition that results in the delicious slices loved by locals and visitors alike. When you enjoy a slice in the city, you're tasting the result of hours of careful fermentation that brings out the best in every bite.